Hello everybody and welcome back to Study with Julia. Today is another day in my life. This one is a bit of a different one. I am actually starting this video the day before, technically the day in my life, because as soon as it hits midnight, I'll be at a listening party for the new Harry Styles album, Kiss All the Time, Disco Occasionally, so I'll be bringing you guys along to that. I'll be back home early hours of the morning. Well, late night, early morning, around 1 a.m. I go to bed at 9 p.m. usually, so this is going to be tricky. And then I'm going to have to wake up because this is the first time that I'm ever going to uni, not from halls, but from my family home, which is going to be interesting to have a full day of lectures and go home after that, which I'm already looking forward to a lot. I'm already pretty tired, but yeah, let's see what this new album has in store for us. This was the listening party pre the actual new album playing. They were just playing Temporary Fixed Band Direction here, just to show you guys a bit. I just got back. I need to try and be quiet because everyone's sleeping because it is 1:16. What an album. I loved it. People were saying like, oh, it's probably his worst one yet. No, it's amazing. I think my favourite songs were American Girls, Season 2 Weight Loss, Pop, and Carla's song. And I'll give you guys the haul because we got little goodie bags. So we got the Kiss All the Time, Disco Occasionally tote bag. And inside that, we have a sticker. I don't know if I want to put it on my laptop. And this cute little postcard. But also, like, it matches one of the postcards I have from the Harry's House album. So I might just put them next to each other for now. And once I get my blue tack, I'll stick them up on my wall. But that's how they're looking. Let me get into pyjamas to sleep at some point today. But I'm trying to debate if I stay up and watch a tennis match. Jennifer Brady versus Antonio Ruzic. Let me get changed, brush my teeth, everything. And then I'll see how I'm feeling. But what an album. Wow. Big up Bankit Records and Circuit Kingston. Lovely, lovely, lovely experience it was. I'm definitely getting more tired, but I've prepped my the tennis match. I'm gonna put it on because it's starting in 5 minutes and I'm probably gonna fall asleep watching it, but I'll just try and watch as much of it as possible. So good night, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Well, later on today. I feel like I'm gonna regret this in my first lecture, but that's what uni is, isn't it? It's basically all regret. Yeah, it's definitely time for bed. Good night. Okay, it's the morning. I'm back. I'm not like overly tired. I'm just my normal amount of, I don't want to get up out of bed. It's 6:20. Basically my dad is taking my sister to school. So he'll drive me because it's easier for me to get to uni from her school. So I need to get ready pretty darn early. And then I'm going to be there for lectures a bit early. So I'll just study. Let me get ready. Hold on. Let me pick out an outfit. Because I don't even know what clothes I have here, to be fair. Okay, this is the outfit. An old Gant sweater. I think these are Tommy Hilfiger jeans. Starting to feel a little bit tired. But also I think it's because I'm not having my coffee this morning. Because I'm having a Monster later on. Because I'm anticipating more tiredness. Not healthy, I know. Desperate times call for desperate measures. But if it's not that desperate, I might just get a coffee. No Monster, I'll see. I think I have 3 lectures today. Well, kind of, and then 1 tutorial. Let me check what the lectures are. The first one is about the liver. That I know. But that's very broad. I don't know if they've given us a more specific title for the lecture. Yes, we've got a lecture on metabolic functions of the liver. Next lecture is on transport along and across the gastrointestinal tract. Third lecture is semester 1 exam feedback, and then our 4th tutorial is going to be like, we're presented, I'm guessing, because usually we're presented with a patient case and we kind of have to figure out what's wrong with the patient. What would we do? Last time they made us plan a scientific, like an experiment, which was much less fun. I prefer the patient findings, but they'll release it during our first lecture, so I'll see if I can get any of that done beforehand. I think the longest days I really have are like 4 hours of work, and then I have an hour of lunch in between, so it really isn't that bad generally, but based on how bad my uni days usually are, like, this is about the worst it gets, especially because tutorial is an hour and a half in a small group, and I feel like it's a bit awkward, I guess. I don't know about the others. I feel like it's really silent. Sometimes, like, genuinely, like, most of the time I don't even know the answer. I'm like, oh, just hoping someone will save us. And then the rest of the time I'm like trying to figure out if I can speak, or if as soon as I start speaking someone else will start speaking, and then it's the awkward like, oh, you go, no, you go, like, yeah, ow. But I should probably get on my way to uni. That was disgusting, sorry. I got to uni like an hour early, so here's me reviewing my flashcards. Then I made a couple of new flashcards for a new lecture. This is the first lecture of the day, best one of the day for me, and then the long 2-hour journey home. Crazy. Just got back, what a horror day, but I came back to my final, so I'm just giving it its first spin, and I'm hoping that the volume's low enough. I don't think you guys can hear it, because I don't want YouTube copyright striking me. You guys saw a couple of clips from my day. I got to uni like an hour and a half early, so I got so much stuff done. I think I got like, all in all today, during the day, I got like 2 lectures done. I prepared fully my tutorial for later in the day. I did all my flashcards for both my modules, so it was a pretty good day. First lecture was great. Well, it wasn't great, but it was fine, you know? It was nice. Second lecture, a lot. I was like shutting off because I started getting a headache, I think from lack of sleep. Then lunch, I did some more work. Had my lunch, my mum made me noodles. It was nice. This was the first time I've had a uni lunch made by my mum, and I didn't have to wake up early to make it, so it was lovely. Then we had the exam feedback, which was really chill. We got our long answer question, or like essay marks, like the comments and everything, and the guy who marked mine was really nice about it, and like he was so sweet in the comments. I was like, oh, okay. And then tutorial. There was only 4 of us, and our group is meant to be like 8 or 10, something like that. So it was awkward. It was quiet. Yeah, it was not great. And then the journey to uni took me, I think, 48 minutes. Took me an hour and 52 minutes to get back home. To put it into perspective, I live like 6 miles away. Why is it taking that long? In the pouring rain. Still got a headache, so I think I'm just gonna chill now. My dad made me tea because it was raining and cold, so I'm gonna drink my tea. Delicious. And also, my cousin gave me a book in Spanish, so I might read a little bit. It takes me so long to read in Spanish because I like, I'll show you guys, for example. This is actually a pretty good page, not a lot of annotations, but every word I don't know, I mark it so I can learn from it. So yeah, I think I'll probably read for as long as it takes me to finish my tea. And then I don't know what the plan is. Do I soak in the tub? Do I get some work done? I don't know yet. I'll figure it out. My head is killing me. And probably me walking in circles around my room isn't helping. So yeah, I'll sit down and read. Had my tea. I'm all warmed up now, but the joys of being back in the family home. My sister's in the bathroom. So I think I'm just gonna get all of my videos so far with the clips from this YouTube video onto my laptop in the meantime, or as many as I can. I don't know how long she'll be in there, so I can get a head start and get this video up and posted as soon as possible for you guys. I forgot just how bad my family is at sharing the bathroom, so I'm just gonna start watching another tennis match. Mboko versus Burrell. I actually don't know. But oh, if I was at Halls, I'd show you guys. I bought myself the Topps Chrome, the hobby box, and I got Mboko's signature, which I was really happy about. So I'm gonna be cheering on for her today. And yeah, and hopefully the bathroom frees up pretty soon. Pretty please. Whoa, as someone who usually sleeps around 8 to 10 hours a night, 3 hours was not enough. I literally just woke up from a nap, showered, and because I fell asleep waiting, I'm in my pajamas now. I have some tennis on in the background, per usual. Wouldn't be me if I didn't. My parents went, they brought me back like a whole meal from Favourites Chicken, but I'm not hungry. I'm literally just having the drink. Gonna brush my teeth and go to bed. If you guys did enjoy this video, please remember to like, comment anything you want down below. If you could subscribe, I'd be very grateful. And I know that today I did go into uni from my family home. If you do want to see a day in my life, especially living alone, because it's very different to what today was, feel free to click on this video, just just to see the differences, see how it is. But yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.